Yeehaw! Welcome to the tutorial for Country Girl, Shake It For Me by Bryan. Let's get started. We start with a nice little easy heel and toe. We go right foot heel and toe and a little grapevine to the side. 1, 2, 3, and left foot heel, toe, ta, 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 ta. We do it 4 times, and then we have 4 times we're gonna add a little bit of a flair to it. We're gonna grab that belt buckle, you're gonna dig your fingers into your pant loop there, hold that belt buckle, we're gonna go heel, toe, and then we're gonna drop that right shoulder as we go to the side. Right, ta, ta, ta. Get ready with that left foot, heel, toe, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, let's see it facing the front. Both versions. We start heel, toe, pop, pop, pop. Arms are wherever you want here for the first 4. You can play with the music. Watch you make me fall in love. Second set with the belt buckle. Heel, toe, drop that shoulder. Heel, toe. If you want a little more cardio, you could jump it here. Ta, ta, ta. Jump, jump, ta, ta, ta. All right, next section. Now there's 2 ways to do this move. One is on the ground and one is with a jump. I'm gonna show it both ways. First on the ground, we're gonna step with that right foot and we're gonna take that left arm. We're gonna hit, switch, hit, and then double, hit, hit. Repeat. Single, single, double, single, single, double. Then we take 2 up, up with the hips and the arms, and then 1 nice low and dirty. Other side. With that right hand, left foot. Single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single, double. This time we jump out, out, and then we bring the right foot across to the front as the arms come down, and then we turn to the front. Okay, let's see that version facing the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now that second section with the jumping, it goes single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single. Get down, again. Other way. Ta, ta, double, ta, ta, double, ta, ta. Jumping out. Right foot cross, arms down, turn to the front. Facing the front this time. We go. Single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single, double, around, around, 7, 8, 1, 2, double, double, 1, 2, double, jumping out, right foot cross, arms down, turn to the front. All right, time for the chorus. Feet wide apart, arms are gonna punch front and side. We're gonna start with the hips going to the right. Right, 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 right. 4 times, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, then the right arm comes out, left arm comes up, and we're gonna lasso and rodeo those legs around. Get ready for the other side. This time left hip for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Left arm, right arm around, rodeo with a lasso. Facing the front. We just did out, across, and around. Chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Other side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Left arm, out, right arm, and lasso, rodeo around. Woo! All right, next section, we're going to play a little guitar and take it up to the mirror. So we just have a little 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back, back, back again. Ta, 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 back, 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 back. Now we have a plow, or we work in the field. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. This time we shake it. 5, 6, 7 again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 from the top. Heel, toe. Let's see that guitar up towards the mirror. We go. Heel and back. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 2 more times with the plow. 1 and 2, 3 with the shake. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to recap, we have 3 verses, 3 choruses. 3 verses starting with that heel toe, grapevine, 4 times, then with the belt buckle. Then we have that punch, punch, double punch, either on the ground or with the jump. Grooving around. We have that 4 times. We have the chorus with the hip to the right, around, to left, around 4 times. We have the guitar and groove, the plow, and shake. On the 3rd time around, we're going to do 4 of the plows, and that's going to finish our song. And then we're going to finish with a step and a step. Get that lasso ready, work those hips, and choose someone to throw that lasso at and pull them near to you. That's all the choreo for Country Girl. Let's dance it.